This is a code for the project 2 of C programming applications, and this is built-in code from the project 1. So the first thing in the code is you can see the header files that we use in the code. The next part is we can see the definitions of the page rows and the page columns, and also the data structure, which holds in all the banking measurements using the code, and they were put into a data structure. So next we see is the data prototypes, which were used in the code. So we can see here the main function, it's a while loop, which is used to display the different functions that are used in the code. I use the case switch method for displaying the different functions that are used in the code. The next part of this function is the void clear page, which is used to set all the elements of the pages to an array. And the next part we have is the function that displays the pages. We have the system CLS, which is used to clear the screen once the person is done on the page. And we also have clear the page. And then the next part of the code is the functions, which is function for the function new page, which uses 2 pointers, character title and character status. And then we have all the function arguments and some part of the code that sets the horizontal lines of the pages and the vertical lines of the pages. And next we have the function void insert text, which, as you can see, processes each character that the user enters and also handles the next line or the new line of the character. So the next one we have is the character expected allowed character, which has the pointer character at allowed and uses the while loop. And next we have the character display menu, which uses 2 pointers, character title and character menu text, which the next part is the character display menu, which is used to display the menu page and return a menu selection. Let's go back to the menu selection, in which the user will choose from where they want to go to next. And the next part is the character formatted text, which is used to format the variable length parameters into buffers and also copy useful data from the fixed size buffer into an allocated memory. The next one is the void display clear menu, which, as you can see, builds the menu text with substituted bank names and also waits for the user's choice and restores the bank ID by user digits. And the next part we have is the display add menu, which has 2 pointers, users character menu text and character add to text. The next part of the code is void display all measurements, which is to set the row numbers and the bank data in an orderly fashion, and also the vertical lines of the table boxes. And then after that we have the void display statistics, which prints out the bank label and prints the lines around the bank label and also calculates the average. And we have the void display menu, which it's basically the title of the menu, which is view, measurement, data, and statistics. So the next part is when there's a code of that is used to the function that is used to display the histogram, which is right here. And also it's just basically what we did in the previous project, but a little bit more advanced. So next thing is is that I displayed the scatter plot just right here. And after that, I displayed the virtualization menu. And that's it.